Hi friends, I'm Ankit and today I will show you how to sign out Gmail from all devices. Friends, if you have logged in your Gmail account on someone else's computer which you forgot to log out, then you can remotely log out your Gmail account from any device. So to do so, you need to open your Gmail app. Now here you need to press on the three lines. Now in the bottom you need to press on settings. In settings you need to select your Gmail account. Now here press on manage your Google account. Now here select security and sign in. Now here you will able to see all the devices in which your Gmail account is logged in. Like my Gmail account is currently logged in two Android devices and on two Windows computers. So if you want to log out any of the devices, then you simply need to press on the device name. Now first I will log out one of my Android phone. Now Gmail first asks me to verify. Now to log out from this device you need to press on sign out. Now after reading, press on sign out again. Now I have logged out one of my devices. Here it is showing signed out. So friends, like this you can very easily sign out Gmail from all devices. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.